Today I explain 5 galaxy names and information. Watch full video for learn many info. Names of galaxies. 1. Milky Way Galaxy. It's a spiral galaxy with a diameter of about type. Spiral galaxy. Diameter, approximately 100,000 light-years. Mass, about 1.5 trillion solar masses. Number of stars, estimated to contain 100 to 400 billion stars. Location, part of the local group of galaxies, which includes the Andromeda Galaxy and several smaller galaxies. The Milky Way also has a supermassive black hole at its center known as Sagittarius. A asterisk, which has a mass equivalent to about 4 million times that of the Sun. 2. Andromeda Galaxy M31. The Andromeda Galaxy M31 is a significant celestial body in our universe, serving as a cornerstone for our understanding of galaxy formation, evolution, and dynamics. Overview of the Andromeda Galaxy. Type: spiral galaxy. Distance from Earth: approximately 2.537 million light-years. Diameter: about 220,000 light-years, making it more than twice the size of the Milky Way. Mass: estimated to contain 1 trillion to 1.5 trillion solar masses. Number of stars: contains roughly 1 trillion stars. 3. Triangulum Galaxy M33. The Triangulum Galaxy, also known as M33, is one of the closest spiral galaxies to the Milky Way, and is part of a local group which includes Andromeda, the Milky Way, and several smaller galaxies. Overview of the Triangulum Galaxy M33. Type: spiral galaxy. Distance from Earth: approximately 3 million light-years. Diameter: about 60,000 light-years, making it smaller than both the Milky Way and Andromeda. Mass: estimated to be around 40 billion solar masses. Number of stars: contains roughly 25 billion stars. 4. Sombrero Galaxy M104. The Sombrero Galaxy, designated as M104, is a stunning spiral galaxy located in the constellation Virgo, known for its bright nucleus and prominent dust lane. It resembles a sombrero hat, which is how it got its nickname. Overview of the Sombrero Galaxy M104. Type: spiral galaxy SAP. Distance from Earth: approximately 28 million light-years. Diameter: about 50,000 light-years. Mass: estimated to be around 800 billion solar masses. Number of stars: contains roughly 1 billion stars. 5. Whirlpool Galaxy M51. The Whirlpool Galaxy, designated as M51, is one of the most famous and visually stunning spiral galaxies in the night sky. Located in the constellation Canes, Venatici, it is well known for its classic spiral structure and interaction with a smaller galaxy. Overview of the Whirlpool Galaxy M51. Type: spiral galaxy SASBC. Distance from Earth: approximately 23 million light-years. Diameter: about 76,000 light-years. Mass: estimated to be around 160 billion solar masses. Number of stars: contains approximately 100 billion stars. Galaxies are massive systems that consist of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, and other celestial objects bound together by gravity. Understanding how galaxies work involves exploring their structure, formation, and the processes that govern their evolution. Let's dive into the various aspects of galaxies and how they function in the universe. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, but they all share some common components. Stars. A galaxy can contain billions to trillions of stars. These stars can be found in clusters or spread across the galaxy in various formations. Gas and dust. Interstellar gas and dust are the raw materials for star formation, which occurs in specific regions called nebulae. For more videos, subscribe. Learn many info.